Is it better to buy or rent a home? Hi, my name is Kevin Mitchell, your Washington Realtor with Fathom Realty. Despite what you may hear, there's no single right answer. But don't panic. I'm here to help. Start by asking yourself this one question. Can I qualify for a mortgage? If you're prepared to handle the cost of home ownership, you'll next want to look into how likely you are to get approved for a mortgage. Every lender will have its own criteria, but in general, you can expect the creditor to scrutinize your job stability, credit history, and savings to make sure you can handle a monthly mortgage payment. For example, lenders like to see evidence that your income is stable and predictable. So if you're self-employed, you may need to provide additional documentation proving that your earnings are dependable. A lender will also compare your monthly debt payments to your income to make sure you aren't at risk of becoming financially overextended. In addition, a lender will check your credit report to verify that you have a history of on-time payments and can be trusted to pay your bills. Generally, the higher your credit score, the better your odds of securing a competitive rate. Whatever your circumstances, it's always a good idea to get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start house hunting. Let us know if you're interested, and we'll connect you with a loan officer who can help you out today.